Capybara Keychain Tutorial. First, we'll need a 4.5 centimeters foam ball as a base. Take one light brown pipe cleaner and roll it into a small flat spiral. Apply a little hot glue and stick it to the foam ball. Then, continue gluing and wrapping the pipe cleaner around the foam ball until it's fully covered. Once done, set it aside for later. Next, let's make the ears. Grab a dark brown pipe cleaner and pinch one end with tweezers. Start wrapping it into a ball. Narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. You'll only need about half a pipe cleaner. Trim off the extra. Make two ears in the same way. Use hot glue to attach both ears to the top of the head. Make sure the wider part of the ear faces down. Position the ears symmetrically on each side of the head. Now for the face. Take another dark brown pipe cleaner and form it into a circle about 2 centimeters wide. Gently pinch both sides to make a soft oval shape. Adjust the shape, then cut off the excess pipe cleaner. Glue the oval onto the front of the head. This forms the snout area. For the arms and legs, use half a dark brown pipe cleaner for each limb. Fold it at around 2 centimeters, then wrap the rest of the pipe cleaner tightly to shape the limb. Make 4 of these in total. Then glue them onto the body. Two for arms, 2 for legs. Let's work on the eyes and mouth. Take a short piece of dark brown pipe cleaner and use a lighter to burn off the fuzz. Once cooled, bend it into a curved line to represent closed eyes. And glue them onto the head. Then bend another small piece into the shape of a nose and mouth. And glue that on too. Let's add a cherry on top of the capybara's head. Take a red pipe cleaner, fold it at about 3 centimeters, and then roll the end into a small round cherry shape. Burn the fuzz off the remaining part with a lighter. And bend it into a little cherry stem. Glue it to the top of the capybara's head. Finally, attach a keychain ring. And your adorable capybara keychain is complete. Heart-shaped shaker charm tutorial. Let's get started by picking out your favorite pipe cleaner colors. Take one pipe cleaner and fold it at the 10 centimeters mark. Then gently bend it into the shape of a heart. Adjust the shape. Twist the ends together to secure the heart. Now, take the remaining lengths of the pipe cleaner and wrap it around the heart frame. If one isn't enough, simply add another pipe cleaner. And keep wrapping until the frame feels sturdy. You'll need to make 2 of these heart-shaped frames. Next, grab a fresh pipe cleaner and start filling in the space inside one of the heart frames, just like I'm doing here. Keep adding more pipe cleaners as needed until the entire heart is filled and nice and fluffy. This will be the base of our heart shaker. Now let's create 3 more heart frames for the walls of the shaker. Take a piece of clear plastic sheet and cut out a heart shape that matches the frame exactly. Then gather your materials, a keychain loop, some cute filler pieces for the shaker, and a small bow for decoration. It's time to assemble. Apply a thin line of hot glue along the edge of the puffy heart base. Take one of the heart frames and press it firmly into place on top. Now, grab a second frame. Loop the keychain through the top of this heart. Once the chain is in position slightly above the center, glue down the second heart frame. Add more glue and place the third heart frame on top to build up the wall. Carefully pour in the shaker elements. Now glue on the clear plastic heart to seal everything inside. Add glue once more and press on the thicker heart frame we made earlier to finish the edge. Finally, glue on a cute bow to complete the look. And there you go, your heart-shaped shaker charm is ready to shine. Kuromi donut keychain tutorial. Let's start by taking a purple pipe cleaner. Wrapping it tightly around a pen with a diameter of about 1 centimeter. Push both ends of the coil toward the center. Then gently slide the pipe cleaner off the pen. Now, repeat the same steps using a white pipe cleaner to make another small spring. Use some hot glue to attach the two mini coils together side by side. This will form the base of our donut shape. Next, take a short piece of pipe cleaner and thread it through the center of the donut from one side to the other. Twist both ends together tightly. Now, tuck the twisted ends back inside the donut coil to hide them. This helps secure the shape and keeps everything neat. And now, the donut base is ready. It's time for the fun part, decorating. Grab your favorite Kuromi themed accessories, mini bows, stars, or beads, and glue them onto the donut however you like. Feel free to mix and match styles and colors. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Finally, attach a keychain ring or chain to the top. And just like that, your Kuromi-inspired donut keychain is finished.